out here today.
Yep, and in case you missed it, coming up, the middle finger.
Oh my god. Scum fucking soaked. Yeah, he came through a little hot that time. I got soaked. I might have been getting a little too close.
And a spider crawls right across my chest. Right there. Yeah, no.